Hey everyone, if you are not using a software to publish your Pinterest pins, then you are definitely missing out, because there are softwares out there such as Tailwind that can actually help you to automate your publishing. So if you are a beginner blogger, or maybe you're already an experienced blogger and you've been publishing your own pins all the time, then I'm going to show you today how to set up and publish on Tailwind. So let's jump right in.
Hey, welcome back to my channel, everyone. What I'm going to do is show you how to set up and publish your first Pinterest pin on Tailwind. So if you are not familiar with how to work Tailwind, I'm going to show you how you can easily connect your account to Pinterest and how you can publish your first Pinterest pin. All right, so if you are on the Tailwind main page, then what you want to do first is you can sign up for a free account. And you would think this is difficult, but it's not actually. What you do is you go over here to where it says sign up for free. And the first thing that they want you to do is to connect your Tailwind account to a Pinterest account, or they give you the option of doing Instagram. You're not really going through the typical create an account, give a password, and things like that. This portion right here is going to be very simple because you have to have your Pinterest account already set up. So if you do not have a Pinterest business account already set up, I created a video on that. You can learn how to set up and create your Pinterest business account. Then once you do that, then you come back to this video and you go ahead and you connect your Pinterest account to Tailwind. So when you click this, you will automatically go to the sign up, which will take you to Pinterest main page, and you go ahead and you put in all of your information. So after you sign in and you click continue, you're going to land into Tailwind's main account. So let me go and show you exactly how that's going to look. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go ahead and sign into Tailwind because I already have a Pinterest account, and I can easily show you how to do that. Once you're signed in and you've connected the account, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see this right here, and you're going to see just a main page. I don't have any upgrades or anything like that. This is going to be very simple, and there's not much setup to it other than what you kind of see right here. It's a matter of navigating through these things and just knowing how to, create your first pin, different things like that. So I'm going to go over here to where it says, it's got this little star thing, and you have your profile. So I can go and click on profile. And this is just the basic information of, man, everything is popping up. This is just basic information that you can put in here, from your email to your name, your business names, not very much to it, your account, which is not much at all. And as you can see right now, I am connected because it has Mailbox Money Block, and I'm already connected with my Tailwind. But we can go back to the main homepage. There's not much to actually doing a lot of this. So what I want to do is I want to show you, since you are already logged into Tailwind and you're ready to go, I want to show you how this works, because trust me, you're not going to want to, pin pins every single day, all day long. You may not have time for it. I know I don't have time for pinning pins every single day, 2 to 3 times a day. So Tailwind is a really good tool to use. What Tailwind offers you is a way for you to schedule these things like daily. And so you can schedule, for example, this is the 13th. You can schedule as far out as you want. You can even see there's like a little calendar here. So if you need to schedule for the following week and even the following week after that, you can schedule as far out as you need. And this is just a calendar to help you see what you have. There's nothing on my calendar right now, so that's why it's blank. But if I had things scheduled, then you would see it. And I'm going to show you how to do that right now. So let's schedule our first pin. What you can do is you will go over here to where it says create. Okay, so this section right here is for if you want to create a pin inside of Tailwind. So if you have just a plain image that you want to use, then you can definitely do that. You can upload an image here, and Pinterest will, give you the option of creating actual pins inside of Tailwind, so you can do that. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give you an example of what that looks like, but I'm going to show you how you can upload your pins that are already ready to go, and then you can see how that looks. So let me go to desktop, and I'll just pull randomly like a picture and show you exactly how that's done. Just going to pull like a regular, I'll just do this one for example. And once you pull this up, what's going to happen is you can actually design a Pinterest pin inside of Tailwind. And so if this is your thing, if this is what you may like, then go ahead and go for it. But I design all of my pins inside of Canva, and I create a lot of tutorials on Canva. So if you want to learn how to just use Canva in general, then you can go and check out some videos that I have on that. But this is not something I usually do, but if this is what you like, go ahead and go for it. I'm going to show you how you can upload pins that are already ready to go. So here is the draft section that I want you to go to, and up here in the draft section you are going to find where it says upload media. This is where you want to start with pins that are already created. So you can upload your media. Click upload. We're going to upload it to this particular account, and I can just drag these things right in wherever I want. So I may just end up doing that. I'm going to show you how you can drag them in and just upload them one right after another. They're really easy to do. You can also just, you can also just add them there as well. So let's go to the downloads. That might be a little bit easier. I'll do this one, and this one, and we'll go ahead and open them up. That's all 5 of them, or 4 of them rather. These are all the pins that I have, and you just click confirm. And I've did like up to 10 at a time, and they've all just showed up easily. And so this is the very beginning of how this actually works. You have your pins that are here ready to go, and you can schedule them right now if you want to. I'm not going to schedule them. I'm going to unselect them, and what you will end up doing is going through doing all of your SEO. So if you clicked on one of these pins that's ready to go, then from here inside of Tailwind, you can go ahead and give the title, you can do the description, add the URL or the direct page to your blog or your website, and you have to have the destination where you want the pin to go. So you should have already created some boards, and if you type or add your board name here, as you see, I already have boards that Pinterest picked up already for my Pinterest business account. I can just select which board I want it to go to, and that's pretty much that. Now, as far as being able to choose the date that you want, well, Pinterest has this thing called Smart Schedule Recommendation, where they will suggest the best times and days for your account. You may want to consider using this. It's a really good tool. You can do that, or you can do your own custom time. So you can consider using this area right here, which is times that they find that's best for you, or you can just select your own custom time. So starting out, of course, I did try these out, and I'm not sure exactly how Tailwind knows what time is best for you. I don't know if it's just based on your account, but these are just good to use, if you want to. Now, this right here is just a little message saying that these are optimal times to post personalized to when your audience is most engaged. So obviously, if you're just starting off and you do not have an audience, then it might not even matter until you get more traffic to your site. There probably will be, better times, for you to select from. This is pretty much how it goes in terms of setting up your pin. If you want, you can go ahead and just, I'm going to do this as an example so that you can have an idea of how it is. So I'm just going to say MLM leads online, and just so you can see how this is, is it. And you can put here keywords that goes best with your Pinterest pin. So is it worth it to buy leads online or generate your own leads? And you want to make sure that you're using keywords, and those keywords you can just search in the Pinterest search bar, and I'll probably do a video on that sometime down the line. But pretty much just use keywords that that people will be searching for. Another thing too is you want to put the actual blog page here. So this is the home page to my blog, but I do have a page for this, which is for this particular pin, so I can easily put that there as well. And I can scroll down a little bit more. Now here is where you have to schedule your pin, like I said, that goes to a board. So if I want, I can have this pin just go directly to any of these boards right here. So these are things that you need to already have set up, through Pinterest. And once you get that together, then you should be good to go. Now, just for the sake of this, I'm just going to choose Monday, which is tomorrow, and I'm going to schedule this post. So it more than likely won't let me go back here just so that I can choose a board. Otherwise, it won't let me schedule. So I'll just use that one. And if you want to cross post to your Facebook page, you can do that as well. I'm just going to schedule this. So it automatically pops up for tomorrow at 6:20 Central Standard Time, and it will be this particular pin. So this is going to be the scheduled time for tomorrow. It will be on time, and everything that you just saw that I put in there, that's what is going to be seen on my Pinterest page. Now, if you want to do multiple ones of these, that's pretty much okay, up to you. I have quite a few here. Plus, I'm not sure if you saw in this tab right here, I have about 60 of these things right here. It's so many of them that I already did, and they will be going into just being uploaded probably in the next couple of days. So I have 74 pins there. So I will upload those, not including these two right here. So those will get uploaded as well. So I'll probably have close to 100 pins, and each one of them I will go through and do the SEO on it. It will be the same exact thing as I showed you here, and that is how you upload and schedule your first Pinterest pin. So that is it, guys. It is very simple. You can do as many of as you want. Now, I will say this. You do get the first 20 for free. So if you see up here where it says 0 out of 20, you get your first 20 posts in a month for free. Anything beyond that, you see this little green button right here. You go to the upgrade features, and you have to upgrade your account beyond that. So this is great for when you're just starting off and you just want to play around with uploading and scheduling a post here or there, maybe like once or twice a week. The more serious you get with your marketing for Pinterest, then you're definitely going to want to probably upgrade to that, which I will be doing so as well. All right, guys. So that's this video on how to create a Tailwind account and schedule your first pin. Like I said, I am always creating tutorials on, how to start your business online. Pretty much the stuff that I do as well, which is for my blog and for my YouTube channel, and basically just showing you guys how I create passive income with my online business. So these are some ways in which I'm doing that with my blog and with my YouTube channel. So if you want to get more content like this, then make sure that you subscribe to my channel, hit that bell notification so you don't miss out on any future episodes. And lastly, make sure that you go and check out my other video on how to create and set up your Pinterest business account. You're gonna need that before you get started here on Tailwind. All right, guys, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you on the next one.